Envious, envious, envious.
It's Cos Finger, baby.
1953 Panhard D.B Coupé Frua. In 1953, the French automaker Panhard collaborated with the renowned Italian coach builder Pietro Frua to create a truly unique and captivating sports car, the DB Coupé Frua. This striking coupe, with its sleek and aerodynamic bodywork, represents a bold departure from Panhard's more utilitarian vehicle offerings, showcasing the company's desire to venture into the realm of high-performance luxury automobiles. Underpinning the DB Coupé Frua was Panhard's lightweight and efficient chassis, which utilized a monocoque construction and independent suspension at all four corners. Powering the car was Panhard's signature two-cylinder air-cooled engine, which displaced just 851cc, but was nevertheless able to produce a respectable 42 horsepower. While this may not have seemed like much by today's standards, the DB Coupé Frua's low curb weight of just over 1,500 pounds allowed it to achieve an impressive performance figure for the era, with a top speed of around 90 miles an hour. The real star of the show, however, was the DB Coupé Frua's stunning bodywork, designed and built by the talented Pietro Frua. Featuring a sleek, fastback silhouette and graceful curves, the car's aerodynamic form was not only visually captivating, but also highly efficient, helping to maximize the performance potential of Panhard's compact powertrain. The DB Coupé Frua's unique front-end design, with its distinctive grille and rounded headlights, further set it apart from the more conventional sports car styling of the time. Inside the DB Coupé Frua, Panhard and Frua collaborated to create an intimate and driver-focused cabin that reflected the car's sporting intentions. High-quality materials such as leather and wood were used throughout, while the compact, two-seat layout ensured that the driver and passenger were in close proximity to the controls. The car's instrumentation was also well designed and intuitive, providing the driver with all the necessary information to extract the most from the Panhard's lively performance. Despite its impressive design and engineering, the DB Coupé Frua was a commercial failure for Panhard, with only around 10 examples ever produced. This was largely due to the car's relatively high price tag, and the fact that it was in a competing market segment that was already dominated by more established and well-known sports car brands. Nevertheless, the DB Coupé Frua has since gone on to become a highly sought-after collector's item, prized by enthusiasts for its unique styling, engaging driving dynamics, and status as a rare and significant automotive artifact. Today, the 1953 Panhard D.B Coupé Frua is widely regarded as one of the most intriguing and underappreciated sports cars of its era. Its striking design, innovative engineering, and limited production numbers have combined to make it a true automotive treasure that continues to captivate and inspire enthusiasts around the world. While Panhard may not have found the commercial success that it had hoped for with the DB Coupé Frua, the car's enduring legacy as a design icon and an expression of the company's engineering prowess ensures that it will forever hold a special place in the annals of automotive history.
Envious, 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 envious.
It's Cos Finger, baby.